Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. To begin, make a slip knot on the hook and 61 chains. Round 2, we will make 59 half double crochet. For this, we will wrap yarn over the hook and insert the hook in the third stitch from the hook and pull the yarn from all 3 loops. We skip 2 stitches. We are going to do half double crochet in each one of every chain for total 59 half double crochet. Round 3, chain 3 and turn your work, double crochet in the same stitch, chain 2 and the double crochet in the same stitch. Wrap the yarn over the hook, skip 2 stitches and insert the hook in the third stitch and a double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the same stitch. Wrap the yarn over the hook and skip 2 stitches. In the third stitch, insert the hook and pull the yarn. Make a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet in the same stitch. Following the same pattern, complete the round 3. Chain 3 and turn your work, 8 double crochet in the first small space. A single crochet in the next space. Now 8 double crochet. We will follow the pattern 8 double crochet and 1 single crochet. This is the final look of the rose petals. Now we will make rose calyx. For this we will make a magic ring, chain 2 and 10 half double crochet in the magic ring. Slip stitch to end up the round first, chain 2 and 2 half double crochet in a single stitch. In round 2 we will make 20 half double crochet in total. Slip stitch to end up the round 2, chain 2 and wrap the yarn over the hook. Insert the hook in the next stitch and pull the yarn. Pull the yarn from 2 loops and wrap the yarn over the hook and insert the hook in the next stitch. Pull the yarn from 2. We will do it for 4 times in total. At the end we will have 5 loops on the hook. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn from first 2 loops. Now again pull the yarn through 2 loops. For round 2 of the petal, we will make 2 chains and skip the first stitch and insert the hook in the next stitch and pull the yarn. Insert the hook in the next stitch and insert the hook in the last stitch. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. Pull through 2 loops. For the third round of the petal, we will make 2 chains, skip the first stitch and insert the hook in the next stitch. And in the last one. We have the 3 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn from all 3 loops. We will make total 5 petals. Now we will make second petal together. Insert the hook in the last stitch of the first petal. Make 2 chains and insert the hook in the next stitch. Do it 3 more times. For petal round 2, chain 2 and skip the first stitch, insert the hook in the next stitch. Continue your work to all way around and make 3 more petals. After completing your calyx, apply some UHU or some stretch on the edges of the petals. To make flower leaves, make 13 chains and insert the hook in the next stitch from the hook and put a craft wire next to the hook and make a single crochet over the wire. Crochet it over the wire following the pattern 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, we will take about 8 inches long wire. Two double crochet, 1 and 2, now 2 half crochet, first half double crochet, and the second half double crochet, chain 2, and make a slip stitch. Now fold the wire in half. Now working back down to the other side, we are going to follow the same pattern way down. After completing the leaf, twist the wire and wrap the yarn over the wire. Now we will assemble the rose. Take a craft wire and apply the glue on the edges of the rose and wrap the rose petal around the wire. After fixing the calyx to the rose, apply the glue on the rose stems and wrap the yarn over the stem. While wrapping the yarn, attach the leaves and complete your work. A beautiful long stem red rose is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.